to where he's becoming comfortable. And I don't want to play this card, but it's partially my fault because I don't. It's like there's no consequence with what he does. So like I never take it there with his parents or his mom and shit. You feel me? Because I see the good in Rakai. You feel me? I actually feel like Rakai will be the biggest. I think he's going to be the biggest in the world. That's why I always be lenient with him. But to a certain extent, I have to remember, and we have to remember, that he is a little kid. He's extremely talented, yes. But we have to remember he is a little kid, and that's what everybody around us, like, we all see good in Rakai. Like, we all see good in Rakai. But what I can say out of accountability that I do tend to see myself doing is not disciplining him. And it's like, I don't ever want to